Good morning, Kipsters. Happy Thursday. We are going to now use the simulation to investigate the effect of wind on an air parcel. First, I'm going to make sure that I log into Clever and click on the Amplify application. Once I'm in Amplify, I'm going to click the three bars and scroll until I find the weather pattern simulation. Awesome, we are in. So what we're going to use today is the Regional Weather 2 mode. We have advanced all the way up to level 2. So we're going to click the three bars, click on Regional Weather 2, yes, and we are in. Okay, so let's review our steps. Actually, before you review your steps, pause the video right here and record this data table in your notes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an air parcel with wind. Here's the steps we're going to follow. Step 1, set the sliders for sunlight to surface and surface to water to level 3. Okay, it looks like it's already set at level 3 for sunlight to surface, and my surface to water is already at a level 3. Step 2, change the pressure at parcel and pressure around parcel to create wind that blows toward the parcel. Okay, so knowing what we have learned about wind, I know that wind happens when there's two different air pressures. So right now, the air pressures are the same. The pressure around the parcel is low, and the pressure at the parcel is also low. I know that that is not going to create any wind because they are the same. I'm going to change the pressure around the parcel to be high, and now I can see there's wind flowing towards the air parcel on both sides. Okay, what is the pressure around the parcel set at? We're going to click high. What is the pressure at parcel set at? We're going to click low. Step 3, run and observe what happens to the air parcel. I'm going to hit run. I see sunlight transferring energy to the air parcel. I see water evaporating into the air parcel. I see wind pushing the air parcel up really high in the troposphere. And now, once the energy has transferred, I see rain because that water vapor has condensed into liquid water again. I want you to notice that the troposphere height of the air parcel is all the way up to 8.5. That's really high. So did we see wind pushing the air parcel up higher? Yes, we did. What is the height of the air parcel? It's 8.5. Step 4, press Analyze and record your data in the second row of the table below. Gonna hit Analyze. Okay, so I'm going to make sure to fill in all my data. The wind conditions for this air parcel was wind. The air parcel height got up to 8.5. The air parcel final temperature was 40 degrees Celsius, negative 40 degrees Celsius, which matches the surrounding air up high in the troposphere. The energy released was 146 megajoules, and we got 15 centimeters of rain. Okay, a moderate rainstorm. All right, our second mission is creating an air parcel without wind. Okay, I'm going to go back to my simulation, go back to my build mode. My first step is set the sliders to level 3. Sunlight to surface is at 3. Surface to water is at 3. I'm going to change the pressure at Parcel and the pressure around the parcel so that no wind is blowing at all. Remember, I'm going to want the pressure around and inside to be the same in order for there to not be any wind. If the pressures are different, there will be wind. So I'm going to set both at low so that there is no wind. What is the pressure around the parcel set at? Low. What is the pressure at the parcel set at? Low. Now I'm going to run and see what happens. So I see the same thing, that energy transferring to the air parcel from the sun. I see water evaporating into the air parcel. I see the air parcel is rising into the troposphere, but I didn't see any wind. And it only rose to a height of 5.5 kilometers this time. I didn't see very much rain either. Okay. Did you see wind pushing the air parcel up higher? I did not. What is the height of the air parcel? It's at 5.5. Now let's press analyze and look at the data. Okay. Press pause, fill in the next row of your data table. For the no wind condition, the air parcel height was only 5.5 kilometers. The air parcel final temperature was only negative 25 degrees Celsius instead of negative 40. There was less energy released, 108 megajoules, and the amount of rain was only 2 centimeters. Let's look at some patterns in the data. What can cause an air parcel to be pushed up even higher into the troposphere? We see that with wind, it got pushed up to 8.5 kilometers. Without wind, only 5.5. I'm going to say that wind is the main thing that can push up an air parcel up higher in the troposphere. How can wind affect the cooling of an air parcel? I see that the air parcel final temperature was way colder when we had wind. So I'm going to say the wind pushed the air parcel to a higher in the troposphere, which is colder. How does wind affect the amount of rain? I see that the air parcel that had wind produced way more rain than the one without wind. Okay? Make sure that you review these concepts before you start your exit ticket. See you later.